Hello, I am Danny. I live in a house with a yard and a swimming pool. I have a solar pool heating system installed manufactured by Magen Energy. There are not enough words to describe how content I am. Before choosing solar, I was contemplating heating the pool using electricity or gas. Only after receiving recommendations from 2 friends about Magen's solar system, I chose this option. I'm very happy. Last year's season was extended by a month and a half, up until November. This year we began swimming in March, especially the kids and grandchildren. It's hard to describe how happy I am. The biggest advantage of the solar system is, first of all, the environmental aspect. It doesn't require any electricity, therefore it's green. It does not require any maintenance, even rinsing the collectors after sandstorms. The main benefit is watching our children and grandchildren enjoy the pool, mainly during the evenings or at night when the water that was once cold is now warm and inviting. It's priceless.